Here is how you can send or transfer bulk photos from one iPhone to another. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So at first, on the first iPhone, we open up the Photos app, and since we want to select or choose bulk of photos, so not just one, but let's say I'm going to select 20 photos or however many I like, I can tap on the select button and just go like this, select those images, right? And let's say this video as well. And in order to move it to an iPhone, I'm going to get another iPhone right here, which is turned on. And what I can do in here is to click on a share like this. And the best way, since it's between iPhones, is to use AirDrop, right? So I'm going to click on AirDrop in here, and some devices are already available. So I just want to make sure that on this other device, we have the AirDrop enabled. And let's say I'm going to pick for everyone, right? So as you can see right here, whenever you turn on the AirDrop receiving, you get to decide if it's for contacts only or for everyone. So it's best to pick for everyone like this. And now this iPhone gets recognized on this first one. So I can tap on it like this and it should show up on the other device, right? Hopefully I picked the correct one. If not, try it with the other, right? And it should appear right here. So as you can see, we got the pop-up of the AirDrop photos. I'm going to click on accept. And after it gets sent over, those should appear in my gallery right here. So if I go in there, you can see every single photo which I selected on the first iPhone is now part of the other. So that's the whole point behind it. That's how you can share and transfer bulk photos from iPhone to another iPhone. Let me know if that was the thing that you were looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future uploads.